Oraimo Freepods Pro OIB E108D. The packaging looks so luxurious. One of the coolest features it includes are ANC mode transparency for ambient awareness. Furthermore, it includes low latency game mode NCVM Coating and IPX5 Waterproof. Google pop-up notification. Charging time is 1.5 hours. In-ear detectioniness also an amazing addition. Heavybass Dual EQ and clear voice call are some notable features. Bluetooth version is V5.2. Wireless range is 10 meters. Battery capacity is 70 mAh each earbud, 510 mAh case, whereas battery life is up to 13 hours. Furthermore, case provides additional 30 hours ANC OFF up to 9 hours, and case provides additional 23 hours ANC ON. Case input type for charging is C-type. Comes with guide booklet and key manual. Also comes with a protection silicone case. The packaging also includes earplugs as per your comfort and convenience. You can get this spectacular gadget under the price tag of $15,500 only at NCVM website. Don't forget to subscribe, comment and like.